Hey girls, how you doing? I'm Nix. Grabe ang plot twist sa life ko this week. Talagang ibang level. Anyway, Friday I bought this new camera that I'm using right now. It's Insta360 Go Ultra. Saturday, I filmed a day in my life video in this dorm or condo sharing. And Sunday, I filmed a weekend in Makati video again and uploaded it. And that same day, after kong mag-upload, the landlady told me that I have to move out by next Sunday. So I have 1 week to my surprise. And mind you, my contract is still on July 2. Yung time frame niya na more than 1 month before the contract ends, in-inform niya ako na hindi na pwedeng mag-renew, acceptable pa. Pero yung kailangan kong mag-move out within the week and earlier before my contract, I think yun yung pinaka mahirap doon kasi hindi naman madaling humanap ng lilipatan. And sobrang narant ko na to ng madaming beses sa friends ko and galit na din sila. And nakakayak talaga yung situation, pero it's Monday right now. Nag-emergency leave ako sa work and thankfully talaga sobrang understanding sa company na napasukan ko. Yun, today Monday, naghanap ako ng malilipatan. So I have 3 options. One is parang mapapadowngrade ako sa current living situation ko ngayon. Next is upgrade. Next is the one that is closest to my living situation right now. And good thing kasi other building lang siya. So madaling mag-move out and hakot lang talaga. Pasok siya sa standards ko. Pasok siya sa budget ko, and hopefully okay na din yung landlady. Ang hirap talagang magtiwala sa ganito, but so far the third one is the most reassuring and most acceptable living situation na closest sa nakasanayan ko, kasi hindi rin biro yung mag-adjust ng living situation. Kasi the first one, lower siya sa, mas pasok siya sa budget, mas affordable, kaya lang mas malayo siya sa work ko. So, 2 sakay. Second, super mahal siya, as in mapapa-a-day in my life ka talaga sa ganda and aesthetic ng area. Kaya lang, bukod sa masakit siya sa bulsa, ano siya 3, hindi siya justifiable na gumastos ako ng ganun, kasi almost 3 nights lang naman ako nagsastay since I have a hybrid job. Cross fingers na maayos ang lahat and konting adjustments lang, kasi sobrang lapit niya lang sa building ko. Mahirapan lang ako maglipat ng very light, but yung commute experience, isang sakay lang din and super lapit. When things are out of my control and focus on the things that I can control, which is yung reaction ko, and eto, content material siya sobrang wala na, epic fail na tayo sa aesthetic na cinematic vlog since I have so many rants. So, ayun, update ko kayo. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-pack. I should be packing right now. I have, what, 3 days to move out. And first, I will declutter. Ayun.
Sobrang funny lang talaga kasi never pa akong natuloy mag-vlog dito sa dorm na to or hindi ko ata ina-upload kung mag-film man ako. Pero dahil nga bago yung camera ko, eto, nag-vlog ako nung weekend tapos biglang, first and last vlog na pala kasi palalayasin nga ako. Grabe.
So far, looking back on my 1.5 year stay, bale 3 contracts siya. This is my favorite talaga place kasi sobrang lapit niya sa sakayan, as in convenient sa lahat ng aspect. Okay talaga, wala akong issue. Yung may-ari lang, bigla siyang uuwi Ewan ko kung anong plan niya, but sabi niya gusto niyang ibahin yung setup ng unit. Let's see. Or I'll just forget all about this. I love both the city and province life, but yeah, city life is really difficult. Grabe, nakailang move in, move out na ako kung saan. Kaya sa province pa din talaga ako uuwi kasi nandun yung bahay namin and mas may security kasi dun Actually, nung naka-receive kami ng pangungumusta sa owner, kabado na ata kaming lahat kasi bakit nangangumusta to? Kasi hindi naman kami close sa owner, as in parang casual lang or civil na magbabayad kami, maniningil siya, magbabayad kami, maniningil siya, which is super smooth lang until this. Yun, a little heads up or a little more time is acceptable. Yun yes, more than 1 month siya mag-heads up na I can't renew my contract. Pero hindi justifiable yung 1 week palalayasin agad ako. Wala naman akong mali. And alam naman niya na nagre-renew ako ng contract kasi 3 ulit na Sana sinabi niya ng mas maagap or at least okay lang kung sinabi niya na hindi ako pwedeng mag-renew ng contract kasi hanggang July 2 pa ako. Pero hanggang July 2 sana ako pwedeng mag-stay, no? Girls, ang ganda ng view. Ito yung favorite ko dito kahit na 3 nights lang ako usually nag-stay a week. This view. I mean, yeah, and it's super windy. Never akong binanas dito. I mean, slight, but, na-stranded na din ako dito ng mga 3 nights nung nagkabagyo. Bumabaha sa baba, but super convenient pa din since madaming convenience store and accessible talaga siya sa lahat. Ayan, I'm gonna miss this place. Actually, 5-star review to sa akin This area, this living situation. It's just this last part na red flag. Sobrang red flag niya sa part na alam niya na, gets niyo na. Pero look at this view. I'm gonna miss this. Kasi yung nakita kong lipatan ko, walang balcony Pero Kevin na. It's better than going somewhere else na mas mura or mas mahal pero mas malayo sa work ko and mas hindi accessible. So yun, pati po
Wala namang pumapasok dito.
wala po. nagpapack na ako ng mga gamit ko. Tip for moving out and moving in by yourself. List down your personal belongings and i-plan nyo na kung alin yung magkakasabay mong bubuhatin or hahakutin para ma-estimate mong ilang balik ka. So, for me, 6 times yung kailangan kong gawin na pabalik-balik para mahakot lahat ng gamit ko. So, hi, good luck to me, but yeah, I'm excited to go home kasi after kong ma-move yung gamit ko, I will go home to my province so that I can personally recover. So, okay, bye! A month ago.
Bawang kasi mali mo.